All right, so I got it all tore apart. Got all the plastics off. Pull all the darts out. I'm gonna need new darts because they were a pain in the butt to get out. So what's broke on it is this top cast piece here is broke. And it looks like that's an assembly all the way around. So it bolts on back here, and then it goes all the way around. And then the next thing that's broke is on this side. There's a pole that comes down there, but it's down there on the floor. And then it bolts in to the bottom angle bracket over there. So that's actually okay so far, I think. Unless, actually, I think that might be supposed to be welded on there. And then this cast bracket on the bottom is broke. These uprights unbolt. And then over on this side of the frame, it's broke there, right here, but it isn't broke all the way through. So here's this main bracket that goes underneath. And the bracket goes like that and bolts in.